Yes, I can. So thanks, Samir and Mr. Murthy. Now you can try. I'm glad. Yes. So this chat window is going to be our communication model. So I request each one of you to practice. Once you are in a position to say yes, I can, you can relax. Others can say I'm ready. Sukhjit, you are unable to hear. Probably you can just check up with your system. And Nidhi Jain, I can't. Yes, I can. So good amount of people say yes, I can. So others will give some more time for you to check. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for that input. I think we increase the sound system. Is it good now? Awesome. So we'll just take and give some time for people to settle down. Okay. While we wait and plan to kickstart, good evening again and I welcome those of you who are fully set. Means you can hear clearly, you can see clearly, and you are in a position to chat. I want you to understand each one of you are from which part of the country, which part of the world, and probably what is your profession. So I want you to type in only two things: A, the city from which you have logged in; B, what do you do for your living? If you are a student, write student. If you are retired, you can write retired, whatever it is. Entrepreneur Bangalore. Thank you. Bangalore stock investor, fantastic business owner. Akshata, soft skills trainer, Bangalore. Lokesh, you could even type in what is the profession. Bangalore, interior designer, fantastic. Keep going, guys. It has to be as quick as possible because now we are getting into 2020. 2019 is coming to a closure. Suchitra, no audio. Probably Suchitra, somebody has to help her out or she has to look at it. Image consultant, Brahmara. Wellness coach, Sandeep. Cool. I think we will, thanks for responding and keeping it clear. So, those of you who are not in a position to hear to the audio, I wish I could have been of some help. Can't hear. Please recheck. And I want to ensure that each one of you, you are using only computer audio. Please don't use your phones. Okay, and those of you who are logging in from a system where the internet bandwidth may not be that good, it's recommended you switch off your video. You can just keep your audio open such that you will save bandwidth and it's going to be clear. It's perfectly all right whether you are on phone or laptop or tab. The system is set for anything and everything. Okay, so let me move on. We just can't wait beyond this time. So, welcome again. I am Suresh Babu, founder at One Life Academy, and this is an idea which came from if you those of you who are in the system for long, I'm sure you heard of Binaka Geet Mala. Vinaka Geet Mala used to be something which the world used to wait, whoever wants to listen to the Bollywood songs, and it used to happen at Wednesday 8 p.m. So sort of we wanted to be a bit crazy and see how it works. So every Wednesday from this week onwards, it's a great opportunity for us to sync up and we will take it forward. And in case you have something to say, please put it across in the chat box. And depending on the situation and requirement, me and my co-host will see how we can help you. Are you all ready? If yes, say we are ready in the chat box. San Jose, Raji Reddy, welcome. Yes, that's another reason. So, Rajreddy, San Jose, can you please tell us what's the time there in US at this point of time? That's another reason why we wanted to have it at 8 p.m. IST, such that folks in on the other part of the world also can join us. I'm glad I could see you, so our ideas are working. Just see if you can ping Subjit and check up what's happening, and Suchitra. Yes, thank you. So now we will not wait. We can't slow down. Let's move on. Just three things is the title for the day, and this title keeps on changing every Wednesday. So, those of you who are wondering what is this just three things, this hour of power is going to make it very, very clear that how just three things can transform your life. When I'm making a mention the transform, I bet tomorrow morning onwards, once you learn, once you understand what we are trying to do now, and also take action and practice, life is not going to be the same. We at One Life Academy believe in having a life of fulfillment. So, good amount of people may be wondering, why am I doing what am I doing? Why am I doing this free webinar and that too not once, however, on a continuous basis? This does not mean every webinar is going to be free. At some point of time, we might charge, even if a charge is going to be pretty nominal, that each one of you can definitely afford it. It's not going to be that expensive or that difficult. So let me tell you my story. When I started my entrepreneurship journey, the support system for entrepreneurs in India was absolutely not so good. At least today, you have WhatsApp, you have Facebook, there are so many trainings, there are so many workshops happening. But when I started my journey in 2013, after quitting Microsoft, that was not the situation. So definitely I have to put brick after brick, learn pin after pin, and then get to what I am. As we move forward, I will show how much of investment I have to do on myself, how much of learning I had to do. So I said, let me have 1 hour in 1 week as my giving. I'm sure each one of you will definitely get benefited, and we would like to see you compensating the amount by giving us feedbacks, by making a mention, by spreading the word that this is something which is working. So now, as Suresh, if you look at, I believe in living a holistic life. So here I would like to take a pause and ask the participants here to make a mention in the chat box. What comes to your mind when I say holistic life? Please type in the chat box. Thank you, Raj Reddy, 7:38 a.m. Pacific. Please type in the chat box. What does it mean to you when I say holistic life? Happiness, okay? Overall, balanced, being there for each other, fantastic, complete and fulfilling, balanced life, comfortable life, kindness. Okay. So probably in week 2 or week 3, we will make a complete 1 hour spending only on this aspect of holistic life, because today's agenda is something different. Let me not deviate. Yes, Netra, you are almost coming close to what I want to say. Good health, happiness, financially well off, and also mental peace. Good going. I really appreciate each one of you participating in this way, and let's move on. So, when I am doing this, there is a reason. I want to ensure that each one of you are successful. Each one of you can pick up 1 or 2 points out of today's 1 hour and bring some change to your life. As we move forward, I will explain you what is my mission. And when I say it's my mission, I mean it. The people in this room who know me will agree with that. And those of you who do not know me, probably you need to be in touch with me as we move forward to understand what I mean. For anything and everything we do, there is a reason. So I did not get the help what I wanted. However, I have to spend big money to get the help what I wanted. So I said, let me invest 1 hour of my time wherein each one of you can learn one topic, one nugget as we move forward every single week. So this is my mission statement, and I live my day, I live my week, I live my month doing this. So my mission statement is to enable and empower people. So when I say people, I can't stand on a crossroad and make an impact in people's lives. I can make an impact on people's lives who are in touch with me or whom I can touch. So here comes a very interesting story. I had been doing most of the ILT, that is instructor-led training, seminars physically in a classroom. And in the process, I was in a position to touch 15 people at a time, 20 people at a time, 100 people at a time. And I go to colleges and I talk, I give speeches, and I make about 300 people at a time. However, through internet, by leveraging the technology, it is very easy for us to make it big. So the people here are whom I am getting in touch. So to read it out, my mission statement to enable and empower people live life of fulfillment. So it is very important that career on one side, health on the other side, relationship, wealth, spirituality, there should be an appropriate balance. That's what we mean. By enhancing their performance, I'm a performance coach, and whatever I do, it will be around helping people do more from less. That's what is enhancing the performance multifold. So we don't talk about 1.5x or 2x, it has to be 5x, 10x, something like that. And the most important thing I want to emphasize is easily, effortlessly, and efficiently. I mean it because I have seen how we can make it possible. So let me again ask you to make a mention. How many of you love a life wherein you can get the job done multifold, easily, effortlessly, efficiently? Let me hear from each one of you. How many of you are excited to see that life becomes easy, effortless, and efficient? Fantastic. Yes, I love the speed of responses. Go ahead. Thank you. Thank you. Who doesn't? No, no. Surya Prakash, I would like to make a mention. This is where we have a huge conditioning in our life. When you heard that we must work hard to be successful, how many of you had seen your teachers, your parents, your neighbors, your parent like people always making a mention, you must work hard? My dad was a teacher, and in my family, everybody believes that unless you work hard, you are not even a human being. However, leveraging technology. How many of you want to hear some secrets from me? You have taken out time on a Wednesday evening and join. So if you want to really hear secrets from me, please make a mention. Yes, secrets, please. Secrets, please. Type that. Fantastic. So, social media. I had spent big money expecting something great will happen. However, something which happened was good amount of marketing but no results. This may not be the case with all. This may be case with few, but in my case, that thing happened. And you know what the secret? Today, we are having, how many people do we have? 71 people in the room. And our social media marketing expenditure was zero. Friends, when I'm making a mention, I mean it. How many of you want to really learn how you can bring the situation where you will have people coming and listening to you, giving you business, joining into your webinars, joining your groups with zero expenditure on social media? For that, you only need to do one thing: block every single Wednesday and be a part of this webinar. I can't promise the complete 1 hour is going to be having 60 learnings. No. Even if you get one learning, even if you pick up two learnings, I bet you are going to thank me. That's my commitment. So let's move on. No chats now at this point of time. Yes. So this is the mission statement: to enable and empower people live life of fulfillment by enhancing their performance multifold, easily, effortlessly, and efficiently. So for you to be successful in your life, I want to see that each one of you have a powerful mission statement which will become like a magnet for you to move forward. So let me take some time to explain. There are good number of people who do not know me. My name is Suresh Babu. I am son of a teacher. My dad started as a school teacher and he retired as a professor, and he was director academic staff college Osmania University, and his name is Professor Sridhar Swami. I was given the best of education. I was trained in the proper manner, and we have a very good family system. Everything is going very well. However, one amongst the things is coming from a South Indian middle class family. Earning money, doing business was not in our blood. So I was very keen of starting my having my entrepreneurship journey, and I was very, very specific. So I picked up 28 years of experience in people management and project management, and I started my career as an entrepreneur on the same lines. I'm a coach. I'm a business coach. I'm internationally certified from Gallups. I'm also an MBTA certified practitioner, wherein I help people know their personality. So leveraging strengths on one side, personality on one side, I'll ensure people get their results in the best possible manner, because I'm also a project management professional. When millions and billions of dollars of projects can be handled leveraging project management methodology, any business can. So let me make it as short as possible and let's move on. So these are my gurus, these are my mentors, and I would like to say a big thanks to each one amongst them. And I must have invested, spent lot of time, lot of money after my formal education. So this is Jim Rohn. I got coached by him way back in 2005. So the personality development learning started in 2005. So I can claim it's 14 years of learning at this point of time. Next, we have Blair Singer, we have T. Havekar, and we have Alex Mondosian. And this is Suresh Padmanabhan from Chennai, from whom I have learned the art of understanding and loving money. He conducts a workshop by name I Love Money. And this is Brian Tracy. And she is Vijay Lakshmi Pantian. She is my spiritual guru. She explained me, helped me understand the power of meditation. And I was zero in meditation. Now I can't call myself as a hero, but definitely we are deep into meditation. It's helping big time. So this is Robert T. Kiyosaki. Those of you who had read the Rich Dad Poor Dad, I am sure each one of you know. And I was fortunate enough to meet him here in Bangalore. I was so crazy that somehow I made it. And that was Clinton Swain. And this is Dr. D. Martini. This is Bijal, my friend, who does a similar workshops, and he's doing from Las Vegas at this point of time. And I was fortunate enough to get trained by Brian Tracy, and this is the photograph. This is Clinton Swine, where we have learned the gamification. So why I'm explaining all these things is to let you know, for you to become really something, you need to really, first of all, decide that you want to become something. Then you need to look at the resources possible. Then you have to invest your time, invest your efforts, invest your money, and take it forward. So let me stop for a moment. And as I mentioned, it's a good idea if people can switch off their videos such that you will have a good audio and you're not visible to everybody. And the second thing is, please read this loudly wherever you are. I need not hear you, but I want you to read it very, very loudly in your own place. Each of us are playing multiple roles in life. So if you agree, in the chat box, make a mention, I agree. If you disagree, make a mention, I disagree. If you are not clear, ask me, please explain. Each one of us are playing multiple roles. Do you agree? Fantastic. Go ahead. Awesome. I'll give you a few more seconds. Those of you are planning to key in, please key in. Friends, it's an effort from my side to see that we are in a position to communicate. I want to have it as a two-way. We can't unmute you in the interest of the number of people on the call. So that's the reason we want to ensure that you key. Great. Now you can pause. Okay. What is the topic? Topic is just three things. And now I am asking you, each of us are playing multiple roles in life. So we are now just taking off and getting into the speed. Let's find out yours. So the men in the room, the gentlemen in the room, this is to you. You are a son, you are a brother to somebody, you might be a father to somebody, and other relationship could be you are a friend, you are a boyfriend, you are a brother-in-law to somebody, who may be an uncle to somebody. I'm not getting into all those things. So each of you are playing a role, multiple roles like this in your personal life. When it comes to your professional life, probably you are a student, or you are on sabbatical, or you are employed and working for somebody, or you are an entrepreneur. It could be solopreneur, it could be business owner, it could be anything of that nature. So each one of you are playing different roles. So here I would like to take a quick pause and ask you, can you please ensure that you are having a notebook and a pen with you? It's okay, you can step out from the system. Please go grab a notebook, pen, and come back. I'll give you 2 minutes. Please go grab a notebook and pen and come back, because now you need to make some notes. Awesome, Zakir. I'm glad you are ready. That's a very nice habit. Jazz, we would like to know your name too. Good. I'm sure each one of you came with a lot of expectation for for this webinar. And let me hear while we wait for others. How are you finding this webinar? Are you enjoying? Are you anxious? Is it going at the good speed and pace? What's happening in your mood and mind? Learning new about success. Thank you. We are yet to start. We are just about to start. Thanks. Yes. Superb, superb. Look, I'm assuming that each one of you still waiting. Okay. Still, I'm assuming each one of you are ready. So I was talking to the gentlemen in the room. Now let me talk to the women and ladies in the room. So Each one of you could be a daughter, you could be a sister, could be a mother, and from the professional world, you could be a student, you may be on sabbatical, you could be a homemaker, you could be an employee, or you could be an entrepreneur. So this is how I want to set expectation. Let me go back to the previous slide. Each one of us are playing multiple roles. Each of us could be father role, could be son role, could be husband role. And the women in the room, you could be playing a sister role or a daughter role or a mother role. So why am I bringing this is the next few minutes, you are going to get something very, very amazing, which you haven't heard from anybody or you must not have learned from anybody. However, you'll be surprised to know it is so simple. Because one among the things what I have learned is most beautiful things are most simple. None of the great things are complex. And unfortunately, we as human beings love things which are complex. And if it is simple, we don't practice. If you agree with me, say agree in the chat box. Because we want something very, very complex. If it is going very smooth and something is coming your way very easily, you will not like, we as human beings, I'm not talking about you, even me. And it took a lot of time for me to really understand earning big amount to learn all great things in life was very, very simple. Because it is simple, we don't stick to that. So stay tuned what I'm going to talk. So now what I want you to do is, please write down in your own notebook your name, the gender, and the role you play at home. I was giving example. So now I want each one of you to write down what is the role you play at home and what is the role you play at workplace, that is at office. Once you are done, just come back and put it in the chat box. I am done. And here I would like to see everybody responding because we don't want people to log in and do nothing. In case you are not clear, please type in need explanation. Thanks for acknowledging. So it gives me message that I am loud and clear. So this is just an exercise to make you realize you are not playing one role. Each one of you are playing multiple roles. So how many roles you could type in? Can you just type in the numbers? Somebody may be 5, somebody may be 6, somebody may be 2, 7. Oh my God, 6, 3. I'll be scared if somebody gives me a 2-digit number. Oh my God, 9. That's wonderful. Okay. Write all, don't filter now. Write all. It could be 3, 4, 6, 8, whatever it is. And don't try to fill gas just because I'm asking. No. Oh my God, 13 rolls, Ravi Kumar. I think you should send a picture in the WhatsApp group with the 13 number afterwards. Thank you. Thanks for the responses. So the men, the gentlemen in the room, I'm sure each one of you have written, and also the women in the room, you must have written. So if you are done, let's move forward. Here is a small exercise I want you to do. Irrespective of whether it is 13 or 3 or 10 or 4, please trim it down to 3 roles. How we are going to do is, which are the most crucial now? When I say now, we are in September 2019. Now, in your life, which all are the most crucial ones? Please make a note. Now, let me give you an example. As I said, my name is Suresh Babu. and I am a son to my dad. Unfortunately, my mom is not there, so my dad is the only person whom I have to look up to. As far as family is concerned, I have two daughters and my wife, so I am a husband. I have three sisters, so I am a brother. And I have two startups, Ample Courses and One Life Academy. So I am a founder, director, and then I'm an employer, I'm an entrepreneur. Besides this, I am part of BNI. I am also a part of PMI, Project Management Institution. I handle multiple WhatsApp groups. So these are all the roles I play. Out of that, the most important three things is what I have to narrow down. So I am sure each one of you are in a position to narrow it down to only three, not more, because the topic of this session is itself is just three. Now you will understand why we named it that way. If you are done, please type in yes such that I can take it forward. Great. I love the participation from this group. Okay, let's move on. Thanks a lot for the responses. That helps me that we are on the same page. So now that you have written three roles in the personal world, three roles in the professional world, each one of you will be having three roles in the personal sphere and three roles in the professional sphere. In case you don't have three in personal sphere and three in professional sphere, it's okay. If you have, now narrow down to three overall. Now I want you to decide on only three out of the six, only three out of the four, only three out of the three. If you have written only two, I request you to add one more role, which comprises of both personal and professional. If you have any questions, please put it in the chat box. Only three roles. Great. No questions means you're all clear. Okay, let's move on. Now, what I want you to do is, this is very, very important and interesting. Pick up one role, which is the most important out of three, and listen to me. I will also give you an example. Then I'll give you time to do the homework in terms of the complete thing. So list the things that are most important to you. Okay. So let's take an example of probably it's easy for me to take care of my own example. Then we will spend some time and take the clarification in case required. So if you ask me, June 22nd is when we launched our new startup Ample Courses, and July we started delivering the trainings, and today that is the most important thing for me. So within that, what is that which is most important for me is A, ensuring that I have maximum signups, ensuring that we have maximum channel partners, ensuring that we book profit and we are answerable to the investors. You know, this is how I have to list out the most important things for each one amongst them. So what I want you to do is, here we will take a break. I want you to think through and start writing as many things as possible for each line item. So you already have written three roles. It could be as a father, it could be as a mother, it could be as a founder, or it could be as a student. It could be as a person who's on sabbatical. I see a lot of entrepreneurs in the room. Take your profession. If you are a healer, if you are a Reiki master, if you are doing sales in some retail product, anything is absolutely fine. What are the most important things for you? Take only one topic. And here I'll be more than happy to explain and slow down and run through you, because this is the most important one. If you have a question, put it in the chat box. So, Riz, yes, if you don't have a profession, I have a question for you. Are you a student? Are you looking for a job? Did you resign a job? Where are you now? It's to Riz S. Okay. So you are a homemaker. So again, it's a question to Riz. As a homemaker, are you aspiring to do something, or you are absolutely perfect with what you are doing at this point of time? What was your education? What did you do as for your yes, Divya, to start with, most important things only for one role now. Okay, I'm so happy, Rich, perfect with what I am doing. So you have every liberty, complete liberty to write all the three things only from the personal front. I really appreciate this because this is where most of the people think, oh my God, I'm not doing anything. If you don't want to do, if there is no need, don't do. Be yourselves. Fantastic. I appreciate Riz for making it. You are an MBA, you were working with Citibank earlier. At this point of time, you are not doing anything and you are perfect with what you are doing. Awesome. I love that statement. So, yes, please go ahead and write three most important things for one role. So, if you have nothing in professional, write something from personal. As a mother, I am expected to do or I am doing these three things. So you joined my webinar, you are in my room. Do I have permission to be as strict, as straight as possible? Because I am too good in getting things done. And I wish to see that each one of you will get value for your 60 minutes. And this is what we call it as hour of power. Thank you. Thanks for the permission. So I'm not going to allow you in case you are not writing. Oh, please go ahead with one role and three things to do. Only one role to start with and three things to do. Those of you who could complete three things to do from one role can go to the second role. Else, write fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and then narrow it down to three. You see, we have mastered the way the mind works. I'm not a psychiatrist, I'm not a behavioral specialist, but out of my own requirement, because of my inquisitiveness, I have learned. And that is what I'm teaching, that is what I'm sharing with each one of you. Hopefully it will work for you, because the disclaimer is very simple. What worked for me may or may not work for you. I'm not guaranteeing that what works for me will work for you also. Thank you, Rutuparna. I'm glad you made a mention. Walk the talk, live life to be an example, always be a learner. Can you just ground it a bit into a real life situation? What are the three things people expect you to be a teacher? Probably conduct 10 sessions in a month, conduct 20 sessions in a month. How many days you want to be busy? Just get it grounded and bring it to a practicality. These are all good to have. I appreciate it. If you are done with the role one, take role two. Meanwhile, those of you who are yet to complete role one, please speed up, start wrapping up. Good. This out of three things, Palak, the first one is tangible. Read and write and read daily. Is it newspaper? Is it magazine? Is it book? How many books? Again, Sukhjit, probably you can come down and say, something which is tangible. So loving my boys and support and provide them. Probably spending this much of time with my children. Dedicating one weekend exclusively for them. Something tangible. Hope I am in a position to explain to Sukhjit. Again, Akshata, this is 10,000 feet statement, bring change in people's life. Yes, we as trainers, we as teachers, we would like to do that. How? Would you like to touch how many lives? Would you like to make a training for 10 people? Would you like to do online? Would you like to do offline? What is it you want? This is nice. Conduct training for 20 days. Tutoring my son. Take care of my family. Fantastic. Generate 5 lakhs per month. So Shama, you need to be very clear in terms of doing what. So probably you can divide it into three things to do. The first one could be, onboarding so many clients or taking so much of value of work. Just get into the details. Okay. So just I will take a small pause and explain you. In my case, we are very, very clear that we would like to touch and help Indians in India as phase one. And we would like to see that Indians worldwide are getting the training from ample courses. And the third one is netizens. So it's very, very clear. And we have the numbers also clear. So, okay, Satish, I'm seeing you as entrepreneur. So what is that you do and what are the three things you are expected to do? You may be having team. You have to ensure the team is happy, team is successful, team grows. For that, your business has to grow. Okay, guide students in their research work. Fantastic. Can you give some number there, Vidya, and in how much period? If you are done with the second, go to the third one. What is that? The three things you are supposed to do most important for the role three. I'm absolutely fine if somebody wants to share my role one is this, three things to do is this. I'll be more than happy to help you stay corrected. Okay, global business and employer of 1,000 employees. Fantastic. So probably Satish, you can, I took your permission to be a bit hard on you and get you the results. So probably it may not be in the possibility of this 1 hour. Later you can always put it across in terms of the smarter goals by when, how, etc., etc. Satish, again to spread positivity, while I'm very happy with your motto, but the function and the purpose of this particular workshop is to help you come to some tangible element. What is that one role you want to play, and what are the three things you want to do within that? Let me tell you one thing. As a father, if I am not in a position to spare time for my children, in terms of helping them take some decisions in life or being with them when they want me the most or helping them share something which they want, I'm not justifying my life as a father. Hope you are getting it. Each child needs our time in a different manner. Yes, support when they really need. I'm glad, Sukhjit, you are really revised it in the appropriate manner, and also avoid getting angry. Probably angry is, you know because the expectations are not meeting. Absolutely, I can't get more deeper into that, but I'm glad you guys are getting into the actual curve what I wanted. Role 1, Nutrition Club owner Satish Reddy. Register 100 members in club. Train 5 coaches in next 3 months. Achieve rupees 5 lakhs turnover per month. Fantastic. This looks absolutely perfect. Now you go ahead with the role 2. And don't keep all three roles either in personal or in professional. Unlike, in some situations, that's the only thing to happen. I'm fine. Somebody may have only all three only in professional world. Absolutely fine. Good. So, Hamsa, these three are in which role? I'm looking at them as three things to do. So, let me scroll back, Rashmi. Take my children to music, drama, art, dance, science seminars, museum while they grow. Fantastic. I love that. I had been doing this, and it's such a fulfilling situation when you see your children absolutely more matured than they are supposed to in their age, and they compete with their competition. Fantastic. Give them more education. Take my children for a 1 year trip across India backpacking. Awesome. Teaching them life skills as they grow. I really like it. Nice. Okay, let me scroll back and see if there is. Okay, so please complete three roles, three crucial things for all the three things. If you are done, say I am done. Else say we need time. Okay, let me ask you, how was this exercise? Did you do this type of exercise in the past? Don't try to please me. I really want to understand whether this is working. Are you having this time spent valuable? You did not do. Okay. How are you finding it? Is it useful? Do you think it is going to change the way you look at yourselves going forward? Thank you. Yes, thought provoking. My job as a coach is to make you think which you would not have thought otherwise. We had been trained and certified to do that type of job. Awesome. Yes. So, those of you who are thinking this 1 hour is going to be a place where Suresh is working, we are enjoying. The next 7 days, I'm going to give you homework. I want to see that I impact as many lives as possible, and that's my mission. So I want each one of you to really go back and work on these things such that you can tell the world just three things is what I have learned from Suresh, and that was transformational. It changed my life. Friends, transformation is not about becoming a prime minister or doing something marvelous. No, any positive change you bring in your life which is not irreversible is a transformation. And I'm sure this exercise really works because I tried it on myself. It's working wonders. Yes, you need to prioritize and you need to be loving yourselves because you are doing so many things and you have to balance everything. People who don't have this balance will get into trouble. I see a lot of healers here, a lot of people who are helping in terms of health making. They will agree with me. If you are not happy with your own self, it is a big problem. Employability skills, improve my success percentage, fantastic. Tutor my son and help my family. Awesome, great. Let's move on. So you identified the most three crucial things for each role and you have also written them individually. Select those things which will make a huge shift in your personal and professional life. So now that you are going through this exercise, in case you want to change something post 9 o'clock, you can always do that because end of the day, results do matter. Results come from action. So what does this mean? I am making you take an action. Those of you who are hearing me, who are watching me, and not doing anything with your pen and paper, I can't guarantee any result to you. And it had been proven in the world in the past. That's the reason we are giving you time to go and grab the pen, take the notebook, and people think online training does not work. It is very, very difficult. No, we are disproving each one of you can learn from the other part of the world. I'm so happy somebody joined from San Jose. Let me see how many of you in this room are logging in from other cities other than Bangalore. Other cities, national, international, other than Bangalore. I am in Bangalore. Can you please tell me again your place? I'm sorry to ask. Eh, Name of the city, yes. Patiala, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Coimbatore. So people from Hyderabad, I hail from Hyderabad. I am born and brought up in Hyderabad. Awesome. Kochi, Vijayawada, Chennai. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Any international logins? Noida. Wow. Odisha. We almost have the country now with us. I'm liking this session, and this gives me more energy for me to schedule every Wednesday. Come what may, I'm available for this particular program. Sure Success webinar series, Bangalore. Okay. Ritz, you don't want to tell where from you are. Okay, fine, absolutely. San Jose, yes. Bangalore. Great. Good. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, just pat yourselves and say, awesome. Oh, okay. Riz, you said you it's from Delhi. I wanted again to hear because I'm not in a position to scroll back. Well, let's come back. So results come from actions only. So here is the solution for you. Just in your notebook, make this 3 by 3 grid. What you are going to do is roll one, thing two, thing three. Similarly, roll two, thing one, thing two, and thing three. I'm sorry. Roll three, 1, 2, 3. Maybe I will request my team here to prepare a document and send it across so that you can just take a printout and write it in that. So I want all the serious people who are going to take action in the WhatsApp group to ask, I need a template. We will make a template and send it across to you. Whoever is interested, whoever is going to take action, please ask in the WhatsApp group, I need a template, not here. Okay. So three things is roll one, roll two, roll three. So you are going to have a 3 by 3 matrix, which is a grid of 9 boxes. What are you going to do is A, you will write 9 things, and then next week, starting from tonight, I want you to take action on those aspects. Every day, something small or big. Next week, when you log in, whoever is logging in who has completed the homework, who are completing this exercise, I want you to ping and say that I did the homework, I completed the exercise, and I want to share. So you will be unmuted and you'll be allowed to speak for some time. So that's going to be the graduation. As you keep working, as you keep acting, and whoever is attending all the 3 sessions, all the 4 sessions, then we would like to see what is the development on in this particular month. Hope you are getting it. This is very, very serious webinar. This is not time pass and this is not GAN giving workshop. There are so many people who will keep on answering things, making you understand it's all theory. And I had seen it's not going to take you to any place. Let's move on. So, as I said, just to give a brief, what do I do during the remaining timings other than this 1 hour is my startup is One Life Academy. We help people manage people. We help in terms of people management, project management, image management, in short. And the verticals we have is coaching, training, and consulting. So in coaching, if you look at, I do handhold and coach individuals. We coach business owners and their teams, and we have a group coaching known as Sure Success Intensive. Probably in the WhatsApp group, we will just share more details so that you can go to the website. I will be sharing the URL. I'll be sharing some YouTube. From the training standpoint, we are into offline training through One Life Academy, and we are into online training through Ample Courses. So that's the two modes we do in life skills and soft skills. So friends, going back to the 9 by 9 grid, are you ready to help others live life of fulfillment? What does this mean? For you to help others, you have to help yourselves first. So those of you who are actively listening, I'll come to you, Sethi, who are actively listening. I would like to ask you how valuable this session was. How do you define this 3 by 3 matrix as if somebody asks, what is that? Just 3 things. Can you please type in about 4, 5 words or one sentence? How was the 3 by 3 matrix exercise? We are coming to the conclusion of the session. So I would like to hear from you. So here is a secret. If it is useful, if it is excellent, if it is interesting, if it is a mantra, type here. If you say it sucks, Suresh, you wasted our 1 hour, you did nothing great, then please ping me privately. I'm absolutely fine to take the feedback, okay? Clarification on priority, allowed to act now, great. So there was one question somebody was asking me, let me go back. I'm so happy that this hour was very well felt. Sir, I have a question, why the number 3? Ah, okay. So why 3 things? That's the question. If yes, please type yes. Okay, I take it as a yes and let's move forward. We as human beings in today's world with so many avocations and distractions and all that, doing anything more than 3 things has become almost impossible. A. B. You can stay focused without writing it down if it is 3 things. The moment I say it is more than 5, I am sure 50% of this room, irrespective of your age, cannot remember and you cannot focus. And for you to do a homework, for you to take action, it is always good that you focus on 3 things. So what did I do? Actually, I'm making you do 9 things, but your brain is thinking it is 3 things. Hope you are getting what I'm saying. That's the reason I said it is mantra. Yes, it brings specific focus and clarity. Thanks for asking. Still unsure. Suchitra. So say for instance, if I say take care of 3 things, it is very easy for a person or in general, the way our brain is wired, it is very easy to remember. And the moment I say 5 things, your lethargy kicks in and you don't want to do that. So that's one reason why it has to be 3 things. It is not something like a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, which can be proved. This is working for me and I want to ensure that it works for you also. Prioritization, mind making, yes. I'm glad, I appreciate each one of you giving these comments. So now we need to take a oath that we'll help as many people as possible. And as we move forward, I will tell you the secret. People who took a decision of helping maximum people before they exit planet Earth only were the people who could become millionaires and billionaires. So if you stay back with us, if you keep attending our webinars week on week, I promise all the secrets will be revealed. So I want you to be ready to help others live life of fulfillment, and you help me live my mission. And what is my mission? I would like to help people live life of fulfillment by enhancing their performance multifold, easily, effortlessly, and efficiently. So the 3 by 3 matrix, you looking at 3 roles and again looking at 3 things to do within the each role is easiest way which can be looked at. So friends, with this, we come to the last part of the slide and last part of the webinar. I am sure each one of you have got the value for your time. And I thank each one of you at this point of time. 64 people are in the room. The way I am observing is almost 100% stayed from the first minute to the last minute. I really appreciate and I'm very, very glad. For now, I will just stop sharing the slide and let us see how we can take it forward and come to a conclusion. So those of you who are attending a webinar for the first time, who did not attend any webinar so far, they put their efforts in terms of understanding the technology, coming forward and doing. Can I know your name, please? First time, you can say FT and your name. A person who's attending a webinar of this nature for the first time, if you are in the room, please make a mention FT and your name. Wow. I really salute and appreciate Prashant, Palak, Vinay, Samir. Awesome. I'm so glad. I should congratulate you because you took a call of getting onto a technology platform and getting attending. And I'm sure each one of you got the right help from my team. And I would like to call out the team at our office, Shubhangi, Rupa, Radha, and so many people working the background to make this happen. So with that, I would like to say good night. I would like to thank each one of you. Looking forward to see you log in next Wednesday at 8 p.m. after completing whatever exercise you are supposed to. So here is a trick. For some reason you are not in a position to complete the exercise, still you log in, because once I give you a little bit of dose, once I give you a little bit of beating, it works as a motivation. Probably that will take you to the next level of attending and taking care of other things. So it's time for me to log off. Have a good night. Wish you all the very best. Have a fantastic week ahead. Bye bye.